We just imported Ozzy Osbourne into Bambu Studio, and this is a very nice likeness of him, and nice solid glasses, and he's got the crucifix around his neck, and it says "Rest in Peace." I really like this bust of him, and we're gonna actually print this one out. This is going to be for a friend of mine. I may print two. Matter of fact, you know what? Let's see if we can fit two on here. Let me see. Clone. We're going to ask for one more. And there's two. And let's position them. Align them so one behind the other. And one for me and one for my friend. And we need support. I think we do. We're gonna use just normal support. It may conflict. I don't know. Let's try to separate it a little bit. We'll just give it a little bit of push right here on spacing, and just give it a little clearance in between the two. See the spacing right there? And let's slice it. So we're slicing it now, and let's see what we get. It's probably going to be a 6-hour print, maybe 7. We'll see. We'll look at the time afterwards. So I hope you can hear me, my audio. It looks like it's going to be a 5-hour print. See it right down there, model printing time, 5 hours. That is not too bad. I can deal with that. I don't like really long prints. A friend of mine does, 12-hour, 15-hour prints. I just can't deal with that. So let's save this, and we're going to probably print that pretty soon. So go to File, Export, and Export Plate Slice File, Command G. Click on that, and there it is, Ozzy Osbourne bust. Go all the way to the right. Want to put 2 QTY, because we got 2 of them, and we're going to save it to the desktop. Okay, so it's just saved it to the desktop to print for later. That's going to be next after I got a print going right now of a little radio I'm doing. It's a radio music box. So that's what I want to show you, and I hope you have a good day. God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. Bye for now.